Mr. G, and I'm going to show you the C note across the fretboard on a guitar. If you're learning the guitar, it's very important to start memorizing your notes on the guitar. And we're going to be breaking down the C note. Now, this particular guitar has 20 frets, so I'm playing within that fret range, but you might have more frets on your guitar. So let's break down the C note, okay? Now, if we go to the first string, 8th fret, you'll find a C note there. And if you slide it up to the first string, 20th fret, there's a C note there. And if I come to the second string, 1st fret, there's a C note there. If I come to the second string, 13th fret, that's a C. If I come to the 3rd string, 5th fret, that's a C. If I come to the 3rd string, 17th fret, that's a C. If I go to the 4th string on the 10th fret, that's a C. If I come to the 5th string, 3rd fret, that's a C. If you come to the 5th string, 15th fret, that's a C. If you go to the 6th string, 8th fret, that's a C. If you go to the 6th string, 20th fret, that's a C. And hey, that's your C note across the fretboard. Get familiar with it, practice it, learn it, and keep on jamming.